Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. We're going to take a quick look at a couple of cases from Encased. These cases are for the Galaxy S22 Ultra. They are cases along with holsters. So we got two different ones right here. And we're going to go and get started and take a look at them. Now you can get these cases from Amazon. The one is the Encased Thin Armor, designed for the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Now it's a TPU case, $17.09 on Prime. Just the color right here is black, or the black TPU back. You got the holster there, that signature holster that they make. It's really good. And I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get that. Okay, the second one is the Encased Glacier case and clip for the S22 Ultra. And this one is kind of new. I haven't seen this one before. It's kind of like a frosted back and TPU border. This one is $19.79 on Prime, all right? And look like they say they give you a percentage off there. But that's what it's always been. I hadn't seen any higher than that. But we're going to check this out. It's got corner guard bolstered. We'll check it out and see what it looks like. I'll put the link in the description for this one as well. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at the TPU all black. Now this is the one that's pretty familiar. I've always had this one right here. You got the TPU very slim and thin. Little pattern inside right there. You got TPU sides here. You got open buttons on the side right there. Camera area is raised up a little bit and it's finished, so that's nice. Not too high. And you got a little shiny band around there, Encased embossed right there. No branding anywhere else on the device. You got your mic hole right there, and you got your mic hole right there, charging port, speaker, and your S Pen slot right there. All right. So we got a little bit of a pattern on the back here as well, but it's still smooth. So it's all matte on the sides there. So now this is the holster. You've seen this before. It's felt inside. Nice clip right there. And it's got a spring. You can use this as a kickstand if you need to, but I don't do that. And this spring clip right here is great. All right, so it's a nice holster to put on your belt clip when you need to. I always use this at work when I'm walking around, put on my belt clip. All right. Now let's get the device, put it inside. All right. Now for the last few years, these cases haven't been fitting really well. Now this one doesn't fit too bad. But it's still not as snug as I'd like it. But it'll work. You see the camera area is raised up right there, so it's going to be protected. And you got everything lined up on the bottom. You can get to your S Pen, no problem right there. All right. And all the holes lined up there. And your speaker, you can see the hole right there as well. So that's lined up pretty well. Okay. Power button works well, no problem. And you can see you got a little bit of a lip right there. A little bit of lip on the bottom, on the top. And the sides come up pretty good, so you probably can use a screen protector, but this is pretty high on the side here. But it doesn't feel bad. It doesn't make the phone feel bulky, but it's not the grippiest case, I would say. I like the thinness though. I like the thinness because this is already a big phone. But this I probably won't be using this one as a daily driver or anything like that. Okay, but it's not loose actually, so it's holding up pretty good. It's not loose or anything like that, so I'm not too worried about it. Let's check out wireless charge and see how that works. All right, so we've got the wireless charger right here. All right, so pick that wireless charge, no problem. It's laying down. Let's see what it does when it stands up. All right, so wireless charge works there. And let's see what happens when we lay it down. So you pick up wireless charge there as well, right? No problem, okay? Now, let's go ahead and check out the Glacier case. Now, this one is one I haven't seen before. So you got that kind of frosted back right there. Same holster right here as the other one that we just looked at. Now, I think this doesn't have any plastic inside, but it's not exactly a real clear case, but you can see through it pretty good. And it feels a little cheap, but you know, I suppose it'll do. You got the bolster corners right here on the device. The buttons right here, they're sort of shiny right there. And you got a little bit of bolstered sides right here for protection. Okay, so you see that right there. So a little more protection there. And the camera area is raised up a little bit, so that'll be protected. And you got your opening for your charging port, your mic, your speaker and your S Pen right there. All right. You got no branding on the sides here, but you got a little bit of branding on the back, on the bottom right there. Okay. Mic hole right there. All right. Let's put this inside. Take this one off. Put this one inside and see how it looks. Okay, this one has a pretty tight fit, but you're going to get a little bit more bulk with this one. This one is a little bit more bulky than the other one, although it's still slim. You can see the front air right there, so you're going to have some protection there on the front. And then the back kind of got a bit of a curve going this way, so this is going to be raised off the back right there. Plus, you got the camera butt right there to protect that as well, so you can't really see any camera right there. And then you got the power button right there. That works pretty good. Everything lines up on the bottom. You see that? You can get to the S Pen, no problem. You got plenty of room there. So all that works out. All right. So sides, same as the other case, comes up decent size there, but I think you can still get a screen protector on this. Not thick, but it's got a little bit of width, a little bit more width than the other one. The other one's a little thinner than this, but still is workable. The grip is a medium. Not the best grip, but not the worst I've seen either. But this is what it looks like right here when you got it on. Okay, I can see some fingerprints right there. It's a little smooth on the back, but it can work though. All right, see that kind of curve right there. All right, now let's go ahead and put this on the charger and see how that works. All right, let's put it on the charger. So it picks up wireless charge, no problem there. Let's check it out, standing up. Picks up wireless charge there as well. And let's lay this down. So it picked up wireless charge there as well. The camera came on for some reason, I'm not sure why. But charging works pretty well with this, okay? Okay, so that was a quick look at a couple of cases for the S22 Ultra. The cases are made by Encased. It's the Glacier case in the thin armor case, all right? They come with holster clips. They work really well. So if that's something you're looking for, you want to check these out. I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it, all right? If you got any questions, hit up in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for videos like this. This is Lawman FJ, out.